A damaged truck lies trapped in a muddy forest, its silent struggle an omen of challenges ahead. On a tranquil country road, a confident woman walks, a stark contrast to the scene of chaos. She enters a humble home, a meeting with a woman in traditional dress hinting at a deeper connection. A financial exchange occurs, suggesting a desperate need for resources to overcome a challenge. They stand before the straw-covered truck, a new conversation focused on the problem at hand. She makes a worried phone call, her frantic search for help a sign of growing urgency. She clears straw from the truck, a focused, physical act of preparation for the work ahead. A small green tractor arrives, its presence a powerful symbol of impending rescue. Two men work together, their combined strength pulling the truck from its entanglement. A red rope connects the machines, a visual bond of a cooperative effort. The truck is slowly freed, its liberation a powerful moment of triumph and relief. The rescued truck moves down the road, its slow pace a testament to the difficult journey it faced. The tractor drives away, its rescue mission complete, a quiet hero in the countryside. The woman inspects the truck seat, a careful examination of its condition after the ordeal. A close-up of the seat belt reveals the mechanical complexity of the newly rescued truck. The dirty, old engine is shown, its grimy parts a new challenge to overcome. She sits inside the cabin, her inspection of the interior a methodical process of discovery. A view inside a truck cabin shows an old, worn-out interior and a forgotten thermal blanket on the seat. A close-up of the rusty exhaust pipe reveals the deep-seated decay beneath the truck. She works under the truck, using a screwdriver, a symbol of her tireless dedication. Her hands work near the hot exhaust, her careful movements a testament to her experience. A close-up of a rusty starter motor shows the core of the truck's mechanical problem. She kneels on the ground, meticulously dismantling the old starter motor with a small tool. The starter's components are carefully laid out on a mat, her work a model of organization. The disassembled parts reveal the extent of the damage, a visual puzzle of rust and metal. She inspects and cleans the parts, her methodical approach a key to her success. She works under the truck again, carefully reinstalling the repaired starter motor. She reconnects the electrical wires, a delicate and precise act of repair. She tightens the bolts, her careful actions ensuring the starter secure. She stands by the truck with a relaxed expression, her hard work paying off. She works inside the cabin, her hands making a final check of the interior's functions. She looks at the truck with a satisfied smile, a confident mechanic proud of her work. She sits in the driver's seat and attempts to start the engine, a moment of truth. The truck's engine starts successfully, a joyful sound of triumph and victory. She gathers her tools, a final act of completion after a successful repair. The repaired truck sits alone in a green field, a symbol of resilience and new beginnings. Inside the cabin, she works the gear shift, her focused expression a testament to her determination. She lies under the truck, a small tool in her hand, her meticulous work a story of grit. She stands by an old goalpost, emptying a bag of greens into a woven basket. She drives the truck down a winding dirt road, its movement a quiet triumph. A woman in yellow climbs into a dirty white car, a new challenge in old vehicle. The car's hood is open, a hand touching the dirty engine, a beginning of a repair. She makes a phone call, seeking assistance for the car's mysterious problem. She talks to a man on a blue tractor, her search for help now reaching a local expert. The man uses a tree branch to push the car, a rustic solution to a complex problem. The car is shown from behind, a small victory as it moves with the tractor's help. The woman drives the car, following the tractor, her journey a slow and steady progress. The blue tractor leads the car down a country road, a symbol of their successful partnership. The car rests by an old fence, a peaceful end to its journey of being towed. She and another woman prepare to tow the car, their teamwork a quiet symphony of action. She fills the gas tank, a hopeful act of refilling the car with new life. The car's hood is open, revealing the engine as she inspects its condition. A full view of the car shows its old, dirty engine, a new challenge to be solved. She works on the engine with a small tool, her dedicated effort a testament to her skill. A woman's hand works with a wrench on a dirty car engine, beginning the meticulous process of repair. She works on the ground beside the car, her quiet focus a testament to her diligence. She inspects the engine with her hands, a careful examination of its inner workings. A close-up shows her using a socket wrench on the engine, a precise and skillful action. She meticulously removes the spark plugs, a careful act of a seasoned mechanic. She detaches a fuel line with her hands, a delicate and crucial step in the repair. Using a wrench, she removes another part, her focused efforts unwavering. She works to remove the carburetor, a difficult but persistent effort. Using a screwdriver, she works on the carburetor, her meticulousness on full display. The disassembled carburetor is shown, its dirty interior a clear sign of the problem. She cleans the carburetor with solvent and a small brush, a restorative process of renewal. She pours solvent into a tray, preparing a chemical bath for the parts. She uses a brush to clean the carburetor, her patient work a testament to her skill. She cleans a tiny detail on the carburetor, her concentration absolute. The reassembly begins, her hands expertly putting the complex pieces back together. She reassembles a small part, her meticulous actions bringing the carburetor back to life. The carburetor takes shape, its restoration a blend of skill and patience. She continues the reassembly, her confident hands working with purpose. The carburetor is reinstalled on the engine, a new heart for the old machine. The final parts are secured, a triumphant conclusion to the repair process. A close-up of a disassembled carburetor shows its rusty, worn-out state. A hand works on the intricate parts, adjusting a small component with a screwdriver. Another hand cleans a small part, a meticulous act of restoration. Two hands work together to remove a small valve, a precise and careful operation. The carburetor is reinstalled, its restored body, new hope for the old car. A hand uses pliers to detach a fuel line, a precise and crucial step in the repair. A hand checks the fuel pump, a careful inspection of a vital component. A person works to remove the air filter cover, preparing for a deeper repair. A woman works on the fuel pump, her careful adjustments a key to the repair. She checks the engine oil, a routine but essential act of maintenance. She carries a basket from the car, preparing for a new journey in the rural landscape. She drives the car down a dirt road, its new life a testament to her hard work. The car drives through the countryside, its journey a quiet story of resilience. Two women prepare to wash the car, a new phase of cleaning and restoration beginning. One woman washes the car with a hose, a simple act of bringing new life to the old vehicle. A close-up of the car's body reveals scratches and rust, a vivid picture of its age and history. The woman cleans the top of the car, her efforts a meticulous act of care. The car is shown cleaner, but still bearing the scars of its past. The final shot shows the clean car, its restored body a symbol of renewed hope. A story of hard work, dedication, and the power of human spirit. A muddy white car is shown stuck on a dirt road, its dirty wheels a symbol of its predicament. Two women, one in traditional dress, discuss the problem by house, their conversation focused on finding a solution. The woman in beige sits in the car, a look of focused concentration on her face. The two women inspect the engine, their collaboration a sign of their shared goal. They talk by the car, a negotiation or a plan being discussed to fix the problem. The conversation ends with a solution found, a moment of shared understanding. The woman waits by the car, her quiet presence a sign of her hope and patience. A man on a small blue tractor arrives, bringing a new hope for the car's rescue. The tractor pulls the car, the man driving as the two women assist, a powerful image of teamwork. The tractor struggles to pull the car from the mud, their combined efforts unwavering. The car is slowly freed, a slow but steady progress out of the challenging terrain. The car is pulled from the mud, a triumphant moment of rescue and victory. The journey continues, a slow and steady tow through the countryside. The car is pulled to safety, its long ordeal at an end. The three individuals work together, their cooperation a key to their success. The car is finally free, its long journey of rescue now complete. The final moments of the tow, a long journey of patience and hard work. The journey ends with the car pulled from the mud, its new life beginning. The car is driven down a country road, its successful rescue a powerful image of resilience. A woman in a wide-brimmed hat stands by the car, her gaze fixed on a nearby tractor. She holds a remote, assessing the situation as the tractor sits ready in the background. A close-up of her hands reveals her using a screwdriver on the engine's electrical system. She works under the hood with a focused intensity, a picture of quiet determination. Her hands connect wires to an old NMAC car battery, a meticulous act of repair. A close-up of the rusty car body reveals its worn-out state, scarred by time. She works on the engine with a small tool, her diligence a testament to her skills. A man searches through a box of old tools, a symbol of their limited resources. A man's hands work on the carburetor, a complex and detailed process of repair. His hands move with precision, working on the intricate carburetor, bringing it back to life. His hands continue to work on the carburetor, a meticulous process of restoration. His hands work with skill, demonstrating a deep understanding of the engine. His hands work tirelessly on the carburetor, a focused effort to solve the problem. The woman cleans a car part with a small air compressor, her face a picture of quiet resolve. The car's hood is up, revealing a partially repaired engine, a sign of their progress. The woman stands by the repaired car, a look of profound satisfaction on her face, her hard work a success. The man uses a yellow screwdriver on the engine, working meticulously on the carburetor. A woman's hand uses a small hammer, her deliberate actions a blend of strength and precision. She works on a motorcycle with an air gun, cleaning a part with focused intensity. A close-up shows her hands expertly cleaning the air filter with the air gun. She cleans another part, her meticulousness a testament to her dedication. She assembles a part, her hands moving with fluid and practiced motion. She stands by an old car with the hood open, inspecting the engine with a serious look. A close-up shows her hands working on the dirty engine, a testament to her versatile skills. She inspects and adjusts the engine's wires, her focus unwavering. She checks a small engine part, her meticulousness ensuring a successful repair. She installs a new part, her hands moving with confident purpose. She pours water into a car's engine from a red cup, an essential act of maintenance. She works on the car's battery, adjusting the connectors with care. She works on the engine, her hands moving with the confidence of a skilled mechanic. She walks away from the car towards an air compressor, her work on the car seemingly complete. She kneels by the car, checking a tire, a final act of care and caution. A full view of the old, rusty car shows its long journey and the work done to save it. The final shot of the car's rear, with its license plate and rusty body, concludes the story of its revival. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Miss Mechanic for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.